alternative fuels, but does anybody know the true impact that they can have on our lives? With the problems in the Middle East, this is getting to be very important. T. Boone Pickens believes he has a solution. T. Boone Pickens was born in Oklahoma, even though he is a Texas legendary gas and oil executive. He moved to Amarillo, Texas in the 1930s after the oil boom fell. He was actually born into the oil and gas industry. His dad was a landman who secured land for them to drill gas and oil. His mother worked in an office during World War II where she rationed out gas. During this time, T. Boone Pickens was a newspaper boy. T. Boone Pickens grew his measly 25 people subscription to 128. He did this by merging and acquisitions. This is where he learned it. He is very famous for some of the biggest mergers in history. Time put him on the front cover as Man of the Year in 1985. T. Boone Pickens did go to A&M on a basketball scholarship, and he lost his scholarship and transferred to Oklahoma State. He has a bachelor's degree in geology. He is best known for creating Mesa Oil Incorporated, which is still in business today. From 1964 to 1996, they produced 150 million barrels of oil, 3 trillion cubic feet of gas. They state that in the previous 10 years that the United States has spent $1 trillion on oil. They predict, with the usage that we have now, that in 10 more years we're going to go up to $2 trillion. This is a turning point for the United States because we have no plan for energy. None. We use 20 million barrels every day. 70% of all oil is spent in transportation. Whether it be trucks, cars, airplanes, trains. That's a lot of oil. T. Boone Pickens says that natural gas is the way. Even though he's lost $150 million in wind energy, he says that we have an overabundance of natural gas. Natural gas burns cleaner. It doesn't have to be refined. And, we'll stop spending trillions in oil. He states that there's 8 million semi-trucks on the road today. I can believe it. But he said, and over 250 million cars on the road. If we take just the 8 million trucks and make them go to natural gas, we cut our oil 60%. Plus we cut pollution 30%. He says that, taking the trucks out of the gasoline and going to natural gas, that is our first step to making sure that we have an energy plan that is sustainable for our children. He thinks that, we can become oil-free if everybody will start natural gas because we have it. They drill for it every day.